Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to find the number of needed machines for a certain task by solving a problem. A company manufactures a product using 2 machine cells. Each cell has a design capacity of 250 units per day and an effective capacity of 230 units per day. Currently, the actual output is 200 units per cell, but the manager estimates that productivity improvements soon will increase output to 225 units per day. Annual demand is currently 50,000 units. It is forecasted that within 2 years, annual demand will triple. How many cells should the company plan to produce to satisfy predicted demand under these conditions? Assume 240 workdays per year. It is given that the actual output will be 225 per day per cell, 240 working days per year, and projected annual demand equals 150,000 within 2 years. First, calculate the annual capacity per cell by multiplying the actual output of 1 cell per day by the number of working days per year. This is equal to 225 units per day times 240 days per year equals 54,000 units. To calculate the required number of cells, simply divide the projected annual demand by the annual capacity per cell. This is equal to 150,000 divided by 54,000 equals 2.78 roundups to 3 cells. So, the company should plan to produce 3 cells to satisfy the predicted demand under the above conditions. In this video, another problem shows how to calculate processing requirements is solved. In the next video, another capacity planning topic will be explained, so stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alarm to be notified of the new videos. Thanks for watching. Your feedback is appreciated, so please comment on this video. And if you like it, press like and share it. See you again.